Engine 41 Bravo, engine 41 Delta. Command, engine 41 Delta.
Oh my God. 41 Delta, 41 Bravo.
Go 41 Delta.
Ready for water, you can send it.
Jeffcom engine 21, we're relocating to the Charlie side exposure off of F Street.
Engine 21 relocating to Charlie side, off of F Street for exposure.
Jeffcom, Tower 21 responding.
Tower 21 responding there.
Command Battalion 30.
No, for command.
Understand you guys have a water supply. You're pulling a 2.5 for defensive fire conditions on the main fire unit. You have multiple exposures. I'll take command from the Alpha side. What's your needs?
Engine 41 copy. Deeper multiple exposures. We're hitting exposures on the Delta side currently.
Received break. Last golden unit on the Charlie side. No, you guys are good. Golden engine, command on channel 3.
Command, engine 21.
Hey, just move your cars off. Engine 21, go.
Charlie side hitting the Charlie side exposure. Direct, it's on fire now.
Command copies engine 21, you're on the Charlie side with the exposure line, is that correct?
A half inch.
Jeffcom Battalion 30.
Go ahead.
I've assumed command at Mount Vernon. I'm positioned on the Alpha side. We're defensive on the main fire unit. We'll be offensive on the exposures. I need 2 additional engines, an additional tower, and 2 additional medics. And the additional units need to stage at the main entrance to the trailer park.
Copy, I'll show you positioned on the Alpha side. Defensive on the main fire unit, offensive on the exposures. Additional 2 medics, 2 engines, and a tower, and all units to stage at the entrance of the trailer park. That's your turn.
Stadium medic unit that's on scene from command.
Medic 21.
Need you guys to come in close to the scene. Come to my vehicle. You guys are going to be medical next to my car on the Alpha side.
Copy, moving over there now. Truck 31, level 1.
Truck 31. Truck 31, I need you guys to find your way to the Charlie side of the property and have you guys work on the Bravo 1 exposure.
Copy. Charlie side of the structure, Bravo 1 exposure.
That's it. You're gonna have to navigate around the complex to come in nose in to engine 41.
Copy. Nose into engine 41.
And Jeffcom Mount Vernon, command.
Go ahead.
Let me know what units you've dispatched and when they're en route.
Copy. I have Medic 23 continuing and requesting Engine 6 and Medic 6 from West Metro. We do have Tower 21 en route as well.
Received. So Tower 21, Medic 23, Engine 6. What was the last?
Tower 21, Medic 23.
Jeffcom, Medic 24 responding emergent from the Denver area should be in your district in less than 10.
Copy, thanks, Jason.
Command. Truck 31.
Do me a favor. Just get yourselves turned around and just get ready in case you got to jet out. And then just kind of last unit for command. Go ahead.
Command, this is Truck 31. We made our way east on F Street, on the Charlie side of the fire unit. We are blocked due to Golden 21 and Jeffco. If you'd like, I can take 2 of my personnel, hose off the 21 to the Bravo 1 structure while the truck relocates around to G Street.
Affirm, do that. Pull line Bravo 1 off of engine 24 and relocate your truck to Alpha side.
Jeffcom, Tower 21 staged on Ulysses at the entrance to the trailer park.
Copy 011.
The last unit that's staged from command.
That's Tower 21, go.
Tower 21, come to the scene on the Alpha side. I need you guys to reverse in. And I'm going to have you guys positioned on the Alpha side in front of the Delta 1 exposure. And have your officer face-to-face command vehicle.
Command, you're requesting Tower 21 back into, or down East Street to the Alpha side for Delta exposures, correct?
Affirm.
Jeffcom, Battalion 22 is responding.
Battalion 22 responding to 012. Command, Jeffcom.
Command, go.
Yes, sir, 10 minutes on the scene, and I wanted to update you. Tower 21, Medic 23, Medic 24, Engine 6, Engine 5, Medic 5, and District 1 are responding.
Command copies. Continue the timer.
012.
Command, engine 41.
Command, go.
We've been at the front door with a 2.5 for about 5 minutes, and we need, there's still fire throughout. We're not entering, but this 2.5 isn't having much effect. Leave this accelerant involved.
Received. I've got another unit that's getting positioned on the Alpha side. I'll have them assist once they're positioned. And just to confirm, all units, main fire building is defensive. We're not going in. Defensive only.
Engine 41 copy. We are on the front porch, outside the front door, heading through. Outside.
Received. And what's your personnel status? Are you par 4?
We are par 4. Just Medic 23 is on scene. Would be level 1 staging.
Medic 23 on scene, level 1, stage 014.
Chief 23 is responding.
Medic 23, command.
Medic 23, go.
I'm going to have you guys just stay in level 1. You'll be the first transport rig if we need a transport. I've got Medic 21 at the scene for on-scene medical.
Copy. We are stationed directly across the street from the trailer park.
Received. Looks like me.
Command, engine 21 Bravo.
Engine 21, go.
I need a water supply. If anyone can help establish water supply.
And 21, you're on the Charlie side, correct?
81st, Charlie side.
Receive.
There's one at the very front. Yeah.
Engine 21 Bravo, engine 41 Bravo.
Go ahead.
There is a good hydrant in the Christopher Dodge parking lot. It's just on the other side of the chain link fence.
Engine 21 Bravo copies. I got 2 lines right now. I'm not going to be able to pull that myself. I need a monitor. West Metro is 6 and a half.
West Metro, engine 6 responding, 060.
22's on scene.
Last unit marked on scene, go again from command.
Battalion 22 is on scene.
BC 22, come to my vehicle located Alpha side, face to face.
Battalion 22 copies, face to face. Command, engine 21 Alpha.
Engine 21, go.
Fire is out on both Charlie side exposures. We do have a gas line, active gas line with active flame on the initial fire structure on the Charlie side.
Command, receive, you got fire out on the Charlie side. You do have an active gas line with fire on the main fire unit. Break, engine 41, command.
Chief 23 is stage on Ulysses. Command, West Metro engine 6 on stage on Ulysses and E Street.
Command, receive, West Metro 6. Need you guys to report. Get your rig as close as you can down on the Alpha side. I need your crew face to face. Command post.
Cover that.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, sir, Tower 21. If we get some people to move the supply line, we can back in closer.
Okay.
But I'm probably 50 yards up in front of the
Okay.
entrance here.
Really,
Medic
at
24
this point,
on
we're going to
scene
have
of
you guys
structure
pull a
fire.
second
We're
line.
posted with Medic 23 for the time being. Is that good for you guys?
I'm not so much worried about this Delta anymore.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you guys just leave your rig where it is.
I copy on
Pull
scene
the
and
second
command
line off at
will advise
engine
where they need you.
41.
Okay.
And assist them with putting the fire out on the defensive building here.
You got it, sir. Do you want me to leave some tags with you?
Sure.
Okay.
And your engine 21 times what?
Tower 21 times 2.
All right.
There you go. All right, so line up the engine 41.
Yeah, I'll have 41s meet you there.
Okay.
I'll tell you guys will go to work for him.
Trust 31 Alpha, trust 31 Bravo.
Engine 41, come in.
Engine 41.
Engine 41, boss, I'm gonna send you to tower 22 times 2. They're gonna pull a second line off of your rig to assist with fire attack on the defensive fire unit.
Engine 41 copy. Second line, 41.
You by yourself?
Yep.
Give me I'm gonna have you be the Charlie side for right now. Go back there, tell me what you got, see what's going on. Your guys, engine 21's on that. I know they were struggling with water supply.
Okay.
So if you want to just become Charlie side,
Okay.
you got engine 21 just now, but have them get them their water supply, figure that out, and then let me know what else you need on that side, because I
Okay.
can't see obviously anything.
Sounds good.
And it sounds like they do have that gas line going, so
Okay.
obviously that'll
Which
be a
Metro
priority.
Company 5 in the area?
All right, sounds good. I'll
Okay.
get over there.
Yeah, and then just give me a report on a needs report when you
Command,
get over there.
engine 21 Bravo.
Command, engine 21 Bravo, go.
I got 2.